Back to my channel. Here we are going to be working on the construction of a octagon where we are given the length or side of the octagon. As we are still working on the construction of polygons, we are going to be looking at how we can construct an octagon when we are given the length or side. An octagon is a polygon with 8 sides. So let's say the length or side of the octagon is 30 millimeters. We are given the length or side of the octagon to be 30 millimeters. So let's see how we can construct this octagon whose length is given as 30 millimeters. So what we are to do is to draw a short horizontal line. We'll draw a horizontal line, just draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line like this. So here we have this horizontal line. So we are going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters here on this line, 30 millimeters on this line. So from here to here, this is 30 millimeters. So here we have 30 millimeters. So let's call this point, let's call it point A. So this is point A, and then we have this point to be point B. So 30 millimeters apart. So then the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to make use of our 45 degrees set square. So set is 45 degrees set square on the ruler like this, on this square like this, and then from point A, draw a line in this direction, then slide it here to point B and also draw a line in this direction. Then we are going to take the compass, and then we take a measurement of 30 millimeters on the ruler, or just put it at point A, extend to B here, take that measurement of 30 millimeters, so length AB. So make an arc here on this line. So from point B, from point A, so put the pinpoint here at point B and also make an arc here at this point. So we have this point here. So this is point C. I will call this point, this is point C, and then I will call this point, I will call it, this is point H here. So we have this now. The next thing that we are going to do is that with the 45 degrees set square, so we set it at this point H here. So we set it at point H vertical, and we draw a vertical line from point H up like this, and then we bring it to point C here. We also draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, then we take the compass with that 30 millimeters that we use to get point C and point H. So we put the midpoint here at point H and make an arc on this line. So make an arc here on this line, then put the pinpoint here again at point C and make an arc on this line. So we have this point, this is point D. Okay, so this is point D here, and then we have this point here to be point G. So this is point G. So we have this point here. Then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so from point B, so draw a vertical line up. So draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, then also from point A, so draw a vertical line up the point A. So draw a vertical line up here. So set it very well. So draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that with the same 30 millimeters that we have on this compass, so put the pin here at point G here and make an arc on this line. Okay, make an arc on this line, then put it here at point D. So put it here at point D, and then so make an arc on this line. So here we have this point. So this is point E. Okay, so this is point E here, and then we have this point to the point F. Okay, so you can see that we have 8 letters. So what we are to do now is that, so we join, so let's join GF. So let's join them together with a thick line like this. Okay, then we join EF. So we join them together with a straight line. So we have this. Okay, then we now join so DE together with a straight line. So we have this. Okay, so we have this now, and then to make this line, so CD, make the thick line. So make the line BC, so make it a thick line like this. Okay, then we make the line AB a thick line. Okay, and then we also make this line so AH a thick line like this, and then we make the line HG a thick line. So here we have an octagon whose length or side is given. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you, and God bless you.